The electrician's statement is partially correct. While it's true that a short circuit or ground fault can indicate a compromised conductor, it's not always necessary to replace the conductors. However, the electrician's concern is valid, and it's essential to investigate the cause of the trip to ensure the safety and reliability of the electrical system. When a breaker trips, it means that the current flowing through the circuit has exceeded the breaker's rated capacity. This can occur under two main conditions. Firstly, short circuit. This is a low resistance path between two conductors that allows excessive current to flow. This can cause significant damage to the conductors and surrounding equipment. Secondly, ground fault. This is a path between a conductor and the ground, typically caused by insulation failure. Ground faults can also be dangerous and can lead to electrical shocks or fires. Both short circuits and ground faults can generate high levels of heat, which can damage conductors. If the heat is not dissipated quickly, it can melt or vaporize the insulation, exposing bare conductors and creating a safety hazard. A short circuit or ground fault can indeed compromise the insulation integrity of the conductor supplying the circuit. The high current involved can cause arcing, which can erode or burn the insulation. In severe cases, the insulation can be completely destroyed, exposing the bare conductor. While a breaker trip does not always indicate the need to replace conductors, it's crucial to investigate the cause of the trip and assess the condition of the conductors. If the insulation has been compromised, or if there is visible damage to the conductors, then replacement may be necessary. After a breaker trip due to a short circuit or ground fault, it's essential to 1. Turn off the breaker and disconnect the circuit. This is the primary safety precaution. 2. Inspect the circuit for signs of damage. Look for burned insulation, melted conductors, or other abnormalities. 3. Use a multimeter or other testing equipment. Check the resistance and continuity of the conductors to identify any compromised areas. 4. Consult with an electrician if necessary. If you suspect conductor damage or are not comfortable performing the inspections yourself, call an electrician for assistance. While it's not always necessary to replace conductors after a breaker trip, it's vital to investigate the cause of the trip and assess the condition of the conductors. If the insulation integrity has been compromised or if there is visible damage, then conductor replacement may be required to ensure the safety and reliability of the electrical system.